Using QuickBooks for your cleaning business can streamline operations and improve financial management. Here's a concise guide on how to effectively utilize QuickBooks. Set up your account. Sign up for QuickBooks Online or desktop. Choose the version that fits your business size. Enter your business information, including name, address, and industry. Customize your chart of accounts. Tailor the chart of accounts to reflect your cleaning business. Include categories for income, expenses, and assets. Track income and expenses. Use the invoices feature to bill clients. Create professional invoices with your business logo and payment terms. Track expenses by recording purchases and linking receipts. Manage payroll. If you have employees, use QuickBooks payroll features to manage employee wages, taxes, and benefits efficiently. Ensure compliance with labor laws. Run reports. Regularly generate financial reports such as profit and loss statements and cash flow reports. This helps assess your business performance and make informed decisions. Integrate with other tools. Consider integrating with scheduling and customer management tools to streamline operations further.